Beautiful babes, what is up? Y'all, guess what? Today we have something that's going to help you reset after the holidays. Taking care of you. And we're going to do it all right here at the house. We're going to take care of the feet today. We're going to take care of the skin today. We are going to take care of everything, okay? May not show it all in this video, but just to let you know, honey, you have to take care of you. So let's get started today. And if you're new to the channel, welcome in. You're gonna be glad you found me because I got you covered. So beautiful babes, let me start off with the feet first. I am using the Demora foot peel mask. I just love it. I love these masks because they gently remove dead skin, calluses, and dry, cracked areas without any scrubbing. After just one use, my feet feel smoother, softer, and refreshed like a mini spa day at home. This is the original scent that I'm using. It's a light, pleasant scent, and the peeling process reveals baby soft feet I can truly see and feel. Perfect for keeping my feet sandal ready year round. Okay, I know it's wintertime, most of us are wearing boots, but this right here is a must-have. If you want to check these out, check my description box, babes. So if your skin is feeling dull, tired, or clogged, don't run to the spa just yet. Today, I am showing you a simple DIY skin detox you can do right at home to reset your skin and bring that glow back. First, we're going to start with cleansing our face. I have a little makeup on, so I'm going to use coconut oil in order to remove all of the makeup. And I have on brows that, y'all, I've been using my Revant Cosmetics, actually a gel eyeliner, but I use it as my brow pencil, and honey, it sticks and stays. So I had to do that coconut oil to get it off. Now, I'm starting with a gentle cleanser to remove the makeup, okay? And this is my Face Shop Rice Water Bright Exfoliating Cleanser. It does have these little rice beads in it that helps to cleanse, deep cleanse my face, do a little bit of exfoliation as well. So this is awesome. You want to do this because clean skin is the foundation of a good detox. Never, ever skip this step. Then I go in with my Glow Melanin Turmeric face wash. This is a game changer right here, y'all. This helps to brighten my skin and help in lightening those dark spots if I have them on my face. It works so well. Then it's always a good time to steam before a detox of the skin. Now, if you have a facial steamer, great. Mine just recently broke, so I got to get a new one, but I don't even have to do that, baby. I can just do it the old school way, grab a bowl, put some hot water in it, and just hang my face over it, y'all. Just hang my face over that. And that is working just as well as if I bought a commercially made face steamer at the store. This works just fine. So keep it simple, but it's still right. It's still right. Now it's time for this mask. Let me get into this, y'all, okay? We are doing a detox mask. Now, you can use bentonite clay or kaolin clay. I use kaolin clay today. You can use water or apple cider vinegar. I chose apple cider vinegar. All you have to do, I put in a nice rounded tablespoon of the kaolin clay along with apple cider vinegar. I just mixed it slowly to make sure I had a smooth paste, kind of thick, okay? I then applied it evenly all over my face, forehead, cheeks, all of those areas. And we're going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This mask is powerful. It's going to help pull toxins, excess oil, and buildup from deep within the skin. So while this mask is drying for the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and I promised myself, girl, listen, y'all know I have done IPL hair removal, which is pretty much like laser on my armpits. I did it under my chin because I had, a beard growing at one point in time. And I've also done my legs. I don't have to worry about that hair. And y'all, excuse me, this mask is pretty strong and my eyes are like watering up a little bit. But anyway, this is the JOVS IPL Venus hair remover device, okay? IPL hair remover device. And I have been using this for a long time. I've had it for a while, but I love it. It's got the adjustable little head, the light, the cooling, like the ice effect on it and all of that. I don't have it plugged in because I generally go into my beauty room to do this, but I'm going to be doing my kitty hoo-ha. Yes, we are getting rid of the hair. Yes, we are. So we are going to do that now while this mask dries, and it'll be perfect timing because then I can go ahead and rinse the mask off and more than likely just go ahead and finish up my shower, get my feet rinsed off from the actual foot mask that I have on now. Girl, we in business today. We are doing it and taking care of us. Yes. So my hair needed a little conditioning just to lock in the moisture again. I have been interchanging this particular moisture renewal conditioner from Pantene with another one that I've been using, but this one is great. I just put on the conditioner before I hopped in the shower and let it sit for a little while, and then I just rinse it off. This conditioner is great for color treated hair. And y'all know that's what I have, okay? That's what I have. And if you're curious about which moisturizers I'm using, since I've rinsed off that mask, my skin is looking great. I'm loving it. Oh my God, it feels so silky smooth. Y'all, I just love that mask. But as far as moisturizers, I'm using actually two today. It is the Lily Anna Naturals Retinol Cream and also the Simply Vital. I'm actually gonna go ahead and break these out for y'all in a separate video on my other channel, Sweet Angel TV. So stay tuned for that. Check it out over there. Now I'm gonna finish off all of my shower routine using the Glow Melanin Magic Eraser Dark Spot Cream. I'm simply putting this on my inner thighs. I have recently done a DIY, might I say, pubic area scrub. I did that last week. I'm going to bring it to the channel. I'll let y'all, in on what I use to create that. But overall, I've incorporated the Magic Eraser Dark Spot Cream for just the inner thigh area right now, my elbows and so forth. So that's what I am using it for. And for the hair, I am using my Ashley Marie collection, the foam, to just style my hair a little bit. I'm getting ready to go to bed, so I'm not going to do anything extreme with the hair. And y'all, I'm feeling really good. Oh my gosh, I needed that skin detox. My face detoxed so bad. I've been wearing a lot of makeup. And now I'm just going to put on my LA Colors lip gloss. This helps to moisturize my lips. Ooh, child. Now, didn't I tell you? See what I'm saying? Girl, stick and stay right here.